In this video, I'll guide you through how to find session duration in Google Analytics 4. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to see how long users are spending on your site during each session. We'll move step by step, and I'll explain what's happening along the way so it all makes sense, even if you're still getting used to the GA4 interface. First, open your web browser and go to analytics.google.com. If you're not already signed in, log in with the Google account that has access to your analytics property. Once you're in, make sure you've selected the correct account and property for the website or app you want to analyze. You can do this using the drop downs at the top of the screen. This is important so you don't accidentally customize the wrong property. Next, look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen and click on Reports. This is the main section where you'll see your standard reporting views in GA4. The Reports area is where you'll spend a lot of your time looking at traffic, engagement, monetization, and other key metrics, so it's useful to get familiar with this navigation. Within the Reports section, click on Report Snapshot. The snapshot is a kind of overview dashboard that gives you a quick summary of how your site or app is performing. By default, it shows cards for different metrics and dimensions, but we're going to customize what appears here so that average session duration is included. To do that, look for a small pencil icon, usually near the top right of the report. This is the Customize Report button. Go ahead and click the pencil icon. Customizing the report lets you add or remove metrics, rearrange cards, and tailor the snapshot so it highlights what matters most to you and your team. You're not changing the underlying data, you're just changing how it's presented in this particular view. Once the customization panel opens, find and click on Add Metric. Metrics are the numerical values you see in your reports like users, sessions, engagement rate, and so on. By adding a metric here, you're telling GA4 that you want that number to appear in this report snapshot. This is how we'll bring average session duration into view. After you click Add Metric, a search box or list of available metrics will appear. In the search field, start typing average session duration. Typing a few letters is usually enough for Google Analytics to filter down the list and show you the metric you're looking for. If you don't see it at first, double check your spelling and make sure you're searching within the metrics section, not dimensions. When average session duration appears in the list, click on it to select it. This adds the metric to your report configuration. Average session duration tells you, on average, how long a user's session lasts on your site or app. It's a helpful engagement metric that can give you a sense of whether people are sticking around and interacting with your content. After selecting it, make sure to apply or save your changes, depending on what options you see in the interface. Once saved, you'll be taken back to your report's snapshot, and average session duration should now appear as one of the metrics in your report. From here, you can adjust date ranges, compare time periods, and use this metric alongside others to understand how user behavior is changing over time. That's all you need to do to find session duration in Google Analytics 4 and add it directly into your report snapshot for quick access whenever you log in.